Today we have the 2021 Volvo XC40. This is a hybrid electric petrol plug-in vehicle. It has done just under 77,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. On the first page of our screen, we have our applications. This is where we can find our download center, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our vehicle status. On the second page, we have navigation, radio, smartphone integration, and communication. On the final page is our car functions. From here, we can find our charge, road sign information, lane keeping aid, and connected safety. If we press here, we can access our climate control. And just below our screen, we have our drive mode button. From here, we can switch between hybrid, power, pure, and off-road. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.